Oh yeah. What's up, YouTube? Your boy Motion back with another video, man. As you can see, we're at the gas station with the big body X5M. It's cold and I got shorts on. Don't do too much, don't do too much. X5M parked up. Let me get a little sneak peek. I know what y'all see right here. I ain't gonna say too much. Y'all gonna stay tuned for that video. Video dropping soon. You know what I'm saying? But you know, it's 1 month of the X5M. She been treating me good. Like, she been treating me real good. It's crazy. Month time fly by so fast, you don't even realize. 1 month, I probably put like 20 tanks of gas in this car in a month. Like, right now gas like, what is it, 359? Yeah, I probably put like 20 tanks of gas. I dragged it, but like, this car, it's not that too crazy on gas, but it's like average. Like, it's like average SUV. Like, it's stock right now, so see, like $73. That's not too bad. I was paying the same with my Q50 though, so that ain't nothing too crazy. Well, you know, this car is beautiful. Like, this car is crazy. Like, don't even gotta say too much. Like, the car, usually gotta speak for the car, but nah, this car, if you get a X5M, any BMW in general, any like M package BMW, that thing will speak for itself. No copyright, but you know, wow, hold on, no copyright, but as you can tell, yo, no copyright. Hold on. How do you turn this off? See, I don't even know how to turn the music off. Just turn it off, bro. So, we're really talking about, after being interrupted by that music, trying to copyright me, but like, this car speaks for itself. Like, it's crazy. Like, why the music still playing though? Like, then you're trying to get me copyrighted. I'm on the way right now. I'm about to get a car wash. I drove to Norfolk down this weekend. Straight brake dust, straight, you know, I don't even know, mud on all that extra, but yeah, I should go out and buy an X5M, cause this car is crazy. I just can't wait till I put my downpipe in tune. After that, I'm gonna see how it's driving. If I gotta go any faster, we going faster. We will go fast, not if, cause the downpipe in tune's not enough for me. Like, I wanna, you know, wake up the car, wake up the motor even more. Like, do something y'all never seen before with this car. Like, no one really mods these SUVs. I'm not sure why. It's probably cause, like, I don't really know. No one like big cars, for they like them little small Beamers, 3 Series, like modern 3 Series, like anything small. Like, no one really go big on it with the BMWs, but you know, I just like big cars. Yeah, little pull wheel. Straight out the gas station. Woo! Damn, that's in comfort too, y'all. That's in comfort. So, that's crazy. That's just in comfort. Right out the gas station. Full tank of gas. Just boom! Launch on your seat. But you know, I'm trying to get consistent, bro. Like, I dropped a video, well, 2 days ago. I gotta drop another video today. Like, I gotta get a video, like, at least a video every week. 2 videos, 3 videos every week. I'm trying to like go crazy with this, you know. All this free time I be having, I just gotta record the videos. Feel me? But you know, we get to the car wash, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. We pull into the gas station. You see the little mirror right here? They ain't talking about nothing. They ain't like my Beamer with you. We try to get a tune. I'm beating that nigga stock, but you know, it don't sound pretty nice. I like how them NA-V8 sound. Like, you cannot recreate that sound. Like, them, woo! Them just go crazy. But you know, we pull up to the car wash. Let me close this before water come leaking on my head. But I'm just trying to give y'all some content every day. Every day of the day. What y'all trying to see on this channel though? What y'all trying to see me do in my car? So I'm guessing, cause this joint got the little cameras and it's matched to my play. I got a little plan with them. So I'm guessing I just pull up. Yep, completed sale, you pull up. Oh, that's smooth. That's very smooth with it, you know what I'm saying? VIP access. But you know, pull it up. Hop into the, please wait for an attendant. They better get me right. Spray all the bugs off, spray everything. Like, he probably like, why this thing got a camera on his head? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom. Throw it in neutral. Throw it in neutral. Foot off brake, hands off wheel. Spray my shit down, muddy. Cause like this car be getting like, if you look at the rims, it be collecting mad brake dust. Like, I don't know why. It's probably like I heard people been talking about it though, like the OEM brakes, brake pads, like they just bring off so much brake dust. I heard people upgraded to the little, what you call it, the power sport brakes. I plan on doing that, cause you can't be driving and after every drive it go boom, mad brake dust everywhere. But these parking spots about to go crazy. So once I get out of here, I'm gonna continue the video, cause ain't no way I'm about to have y'all going beep 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 beep. So hey, whoa, I ain't never seen that before. Nah, that is cool. I ain't never seen that before. They upgraded it. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. They upgraded it now. You know. We got the car wash. I'm gonna tap y'all. Just came with the wash. Let's see how the wash did, cause I don't know. That joint shining though. Nah, that joint look good. She look good when she washed. Okay, I gotta talk a bit louder because I know y'all can't hear me, but like, she look good. Let me set the brake dust. I gotta wipe the rims off. I'm already knowing the rims are not that bad though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wipe this down. Yeah, the rims not too bad. I can't lock myself out, but I gotta wipe this down. Clean on the interior, get it all mint and clean. You feel me? Alright, so got her all cleaned up. Feel me? Get some tire shit on my rims, but I mean, I ain't go over there, it's too loud, but I got her all cleaned up. Here's why I should buy an X5M. First one, cause why not? You know what I'm saying? Why wouldn't you want to buy an X5M? What can a regular BMW sedan do that the X5 cannot do? And it's a big car. I mean, if you like skinny cars, I can get skinny cars, but like me, I'm a big boy. I gotta get something big, you feel me? So that's why I went with the X5. So another reason I should buy it, cause the speed and the weight and how big the car is, how big it move. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but just how big it is, how can it move, and the tuning capabilities. Y'all should get this. It's luxury and performance. I cannot beat that, you feel me? Cause I was about to go SRTG before this. Like I was texting the dude and everything. I was scheduling to go pick it up, scheduled to go look at it. It was SRTG with a boiler exhaust on it. You know what I'm saying? Let me open up in Sport Plus and give y'all a little. Oh, she wanna go crazy. That shit wanna. I'm feeling bad today, but let me get a little lunch at the light. You know what I'm saying? I feel like a bad man today. You feel me? Oh yeah. Oh. Had to get a little launch for the video real quick. Just watch the car brake all over the wheels now. Let me not even press the brakes. We just gonna slow down, go right back into comfort. But what were we talking about? Big body luxury sedan, SUV, moving like this. Stock, no tune, no downpipe. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. When I feel like that joint be a little attraction though, cause when I be launching, I be like, boom, 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 boom. Like, bruh, this car's insane, bruh. That's just a reason right there why I should get the X5M. Forget a M340. What's the popos right there? You don't want to be caught, bro. I'm tired of these cars, bro. Now what if I launched it? Like, bro, like, it just had me shook. I don't even know what he was talking about, but like, that's just a reason right there. Like, I don't really gotta talk. I just showed you why you should buy X5M. Because this car is just insane. Downpipes, tune, smiles forever. Smiles forever. That's just wild to me. Like, I'm launching the car. That just woke me up a little bit. I didn't even eat all day though. I didn't get some food. I should launch it again. Nah. But you know, this car is insane. Like, just off that one launch, got me shook. Oh, okay. She want me to launch it. Like, she just want me to go. Like, they just want me to launch. Just open street, green light, downshift, vroom. You feel me? That's an X6. X6. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Not sure I should get that X5M. I don't even gotta say too much. Y'all just know. If y'all know, y'all know. Like, I don't even gotta talk too much. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop another video this week, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Thank y'all for viewing this video. Make sure y'all go crazy, smash the like and subscribe button. Feel me? Let me get 100K views on this video if y'all fucking with me for real, for real. Let me hit the brakes real quick before I go zoom right into that bumper. But you know what I'm saying? Shit's about to go up. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Make sure I show love. Put your friends on, cause you know we about to go crazy this year, 2024. You feel me? Peace out, y'all.